go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Just finished the cutting buff. Now I'm getting to the part that I like to do. Put everything back together. I got new molding. Gotta put the door handles on, the locks, all that new. I gotta put this back piece on. Trunk locks, bumper, tail lights, the trim, the front clip, front bumper. Let me round up some of the stuff that I be putting on right quick. Mainly the bumpers, I'm gonna put those on first. The bumpers and the tail lights. Then I'll cut you back on. Okay, I think I done rounded up everything that I need to put on. We got the front clip here, the end caps. We got new side markers. And these the handles. Yeah, new handles, the hood latch, tag pocket, the bumpers, tail lights, I think these the turn signals, new turn signals, these the old ones. And this the headlight bubbles. Quite a few stuff I got to put on. Headlights over there. Like I said, we're gonna put this rear bumper on first. I'm not gonna tighten up everything. I'm just gonna snug it until I get all this stuff in place. Then I'll tighten it up. Bumper on. Like I said, I just got it snug. It's not tightened up yet because I might gotta move it down or up. Not sure. I'm gonna put everything on first. I'm gonna put the end caps on now. I'm about to put the tag pocket on now. I gotta fish the tag light wire up through. Like I said before, I'm just snugging it. I'm not trying to tighten everything up because I'm pretty sure I got some adjustment I gotta do. Once I put the tail lights in, then I know everything where it needs to be for assembly. Okay, I got the end caps on, the bumper, the tag pocket. Now I'm gonna put the tail lights on, and it's a piece that go over the tail lights. This piece here. Here's the tail lights. Alright, as y'all can see, I got the pretty much the back end on. I got the tail lights, this little cover here, the cover the tail lights, the tag, bezel, bucket, whatever you want to call it, the bumper. Also, I done put this cowl on, and I was about to put the lock on, but I had to paint this piece here. to hold the lock in place. So now I think I might put the molding, the trunk molding, then I put the lock on. I should be done back here, but I got my main man Raw done pulled up on me.
What's up, you guys? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Raw Customs. Y'all go check me out. Raw Customs 5959. The S is a Z. Comment, subscribe, hit that like button, man. We live with life with the Ikes.
Get them together. He should be here any day now. Alright. Guess I'll put this molding on. Well, I got the molding right here. Let me show it to you. Let's see which one on the trunk molding. I think this is it right here. Yeah, that's it. I'll go ahead and put this on. And on this molding, I like to start it right here in the middle where the latch at. It'll probably be longer than what it need to be. Then I cut it off, and then you got this, I guess you can call it an arm. Go inside the sleeve that connect both ends. That's pretty much all you gotta do. It's done got dark on me. I think I'm finna call it a night, but I can show you what I did. Well, what I done. See, I got the molding on. I also got the lock in. I just put the key back in my pocket. Go ahead and shit it. Let's unlock it. Think we're good to go. What y'all think? I guess tomorrow we'll work on the door locks and handles. Also the mirrors, we got custom mirrors going on. But this gonna be the same video, but I'll just cut y'all back on in the morning. Then we got this front to do. Back on the Malibu. I got a new latch, hood latch. So I'm about to remove this one, start a new one on. Also, I'm working on the, well, I'm about to start working on the locks and the handles. I'm missing a rod for the driver's side, but I done rounded up some of the clips to hold the rods in, but I'm missing the driver's side rod, so we might gotta go to the yard to get one. You can see I got the lock on, not the lock, but the handle. I'm actually having problems with the lock. Let me show you. This the lock that came off of it. This the new lock. And you can see the old one, the tip of it a lot longer than the new one. So that means this piece here gotta go in there like this. Then it got like a clip to hold it. So it's not sticking up further enough to put that clip on. I'm thinking if I cut this bottom half here off, it'll work. Gotta cross our fingers. Hopefully it do. But we'll know in a minute. Here we go. It's gonna work, and the reason why I know it's gonna work because this the driver's side here. I already did the passenger side, but you can see it's locked down. Let me show you. So go ahead and lock the door first. Let's put the key in. Lock it back. Think we're good to go. My next move is putting these custom mirrors on here with the turn signals in them. Y'all can recall when I did the body work, we made a spot for him up here and welded up the old hose. So that should be easy to put on since we already did the fab work. Both mirrors on. I don't have them wired up. If y'all want to see the mirrors working for us to turn signal, y'all go check Life with the Ikes out. He gonna wire everything up. So y'all go check him out. I have his channel down in the description. So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start putting this trim on here. Also this pillar trim, it goes right here. And the other trim holds the weather stripping in. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Track in. Now I need to put the weather stripping in. Also the door weather stripping. Then I think we'll be good on all the weather stripping. I got the molding all installed. The reason why I got this tape here because I put some weather stripping adhesive on this top section. It should be dry now. I did this side first. I guess now we're gonna work our way up to the front on this front clip on the front bumper. I got the front bumper there. I got the clip outside. Let's go outside and check it out. Front clip. We got a new grill. Still got to get the emblem and the Chevrolet emblem. And got the headlights there. Basket. This trim here, it goes up under the front clip right there. I got new side markers. The headlight baskets. Only thing we missing, they don't reproduce these here, but this piece here goes right here. It connects that to the headlight basket. But we missing this side because this side here was broke. If anybody know where I can find one of these, y'all let me Life with the Ikes know, because he gonna need this one here. So it's gonna be off for now until we find one. All right, let me put this together. There's front bumper installed. Now I go out and get the front clip. We'll install it. I just came back from Home Depot. I had to go get some more screws. I needed 8 more to put the headlight bezels on. You can see I got everything looking good. Once I put the bezels on, still gotta get that piece there. Y'all don't forget. Y'all know somebody got it, let me know. Or let Life with the Ikes them know. Like they should reproduce this here. This and that. Whoever make this piece here should have made all of it. Alright, let me put these screws in. Well, I got everything on now, except all the trim. Still got to do the trim around the windshield, the drip rail, and the back glass. But I got to wait on Life with the Ikes to bring the drip rail trim, so we're going to install that tomorrow. And when he get here, I guess we'll do a video, finish this video out, us installing that trim. But everything else installed. Y'all can see. I forgot to mention Malibu Dani got some custom door vent plates, so y'all can see with a name in it. Now we need that block off plate right here for the seat belt retractor.
Never stop.